I am Groot. And I'm also Grand because look at this Grand Place, the central square of Brussels. It is quite gorgeous at night. Wouldn't you agree, Christina?
Yes, I do. I agree.
She do agree.
I'm sorry, I agree.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
That's right. We're here in Belgium, and what better place to get Belgian frites than at the Golden Arches? So I ordered these enough here, and let's take a look. What we got going on? Wait a sec. Is this the small? I ordered the small, right?
Yeah. Is this too
Small
big?
the small should be in the white little package, I thought. Okay, well. Take a look. Let's see how these frites are any different from any other McDonald's around the globe in all the countries we've been.
Oh. The shape is different.
It tastes like Belgian beer
Beer?
and Belgian waffles. And, wait, hang on. No. A little bit of chocolate in there. But wait, I'm tasting something else. Brussels sprouts. That's what I'm tasting. So it's got everything you need here. I'm just kidding. These are just like anything else. These are not traditional Belgian frites, but they are good McDonald's French fries because they do make pretty good French fries. They are terrible for you, but they are delicious.
And you think these French fries, no, these fries are better?
I know, you try.
Oh. Salty,
Yeah, but a little less salted, but a little less beef lard too.
thin.
And Fritland is just over that away. I mean, we're just 1 block away from.
No, can't see it from here.
Well, it's just around the corner
Yes,
over
I
there.
know.
It's so good. Anyway,
Okay, I prefer the bigger ones.
most ladies do. But the thing is, these fries are pretty decent. Would you like a thin but long fry?
Well, size
What?
doesn't matter. What?
The way he held it in like a cigarette
Yeah.
was very Belgique of you.
Okay, show me. Am I in? Okay.
Is she in? What? Now try to look cool. Now blow out the fry fat smoke. See, if this was yesterday, we'd see actual hot air coming out of your mouth because it was minus 17. Oh, there it is. Actually, I did see it.
Yeah, they're fine, but not so good. Like Frites.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Yeah.